Did you know a sneeze is your body's super fast way of cleaning your nose? When dust, pepper, or tiny germs get inside your nose, your body notices right away. Your nose sends a message to your brain. Then your body takes a deep breath and blasts air out super fast. That big burst of air helps push out things that do not belong in your nose. Sneezes help protect your body, but they can also spread germs, so it is important to sneeze into your elbow or a tissue. So next time you sneeze, remember your body is doing a quick nose cleaning job.